What we want to do now is add a shape in on top of this background. Now to add a shape, it's down in the toolbar here. We've got our frames here, and just beside we've got some shapes. So you can see the shortcuts here for rectangle, there's R, and later on, this is also how you add images and videos into your UI design. So we're going to use that later, but for now we want the rectangle, shortcuts R, and I'm just going to click and drag from the top left to the bottom right, just in the middle of my screen, just to start off with. And I'm going to change the fill over here, and then I'm going to stretch it out afterwards, which I'll show you how to do. The fill, I actually want this to be black. So I'm going to click on the little thumbnail like we've done before, and I'm going to drag this to black. And I'm also going to drag the opacity down, which is how much you can see that shape, as you can see on my preview. Now I just want to darken this background image so my logo will stand out from the background. So I think, just looking at the comparison, I think about 30 is going to be good. So I'm actually going to type that in perfectly, 30, enter, and there it is. Now I can click on this shape and I'm going to drag it out, and you'll see this snap in to the sides of the frames that you've set up. You can see that snapping. So you want that to snap in nicely, and you can see that's darkened that background image. On the left over here, you can see in the layers, so on my home screen, I can drop this down, it should be there by default. I now have a rectangle that's on top. It shows you the assets I've got on this page.